Boch improved accuracy of prototypes by replacing hand production with 3D printing, reduced freestanding bath prototyping time by half. Steelcase incorporated 3D printed elements into furniture design prototypes. Production time cut from a month to under a week. Geiger 3D printed concrete cast molds and saved 50% on production time and cost of architectural elements in a historical building renovation. Keter 3D printed prototypes overnight rather than waiting a week for outsourced production. Paravan halved component production time and cut cost by 75% by 3D printing instead of milling. Our printers enable companies to change how they manufacture, build, and produce. Cut cost, save time, sharpen your company's competitive edge. Make innovative ideas a reality with BigRep.